A man dead in the streets. Shot off his quad bike by an unknown assailant. Someone comes to investigate. Hello. It's the police.
Are you serious?
Hello, sir.
Hello. How are you folks doing? This man has been killed.
Alright, what happened here?
He was shot off of his ATV. I saw the whole thing, but I did not see the gunman.
Alright, you don't know where he went, you said, right?
No, I did not see the gunman. I heard a single rifle shot as this man was driving his ATV and it killed him. It was impeccable marksmanship.
Alright, sir.
Is it alright if I put your gentlemen's names in my story?
That's fine, sir.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Good thing there's no such thing as forensics.
Have a good day, officers.
Lee's quad bike just got impounded.